This is the ice skating rink at 10 Manhattan Square. I guess they call it the Manhattan Square Park Ice Skating Rink. And it's still commute time, so people are driving home from work, but at night, this place can get pretty packed. This is a pretty trim crowd. So a lot of fun for people who can ice skate. As you can imagine, teenagers like to come here too. And right behind is the that multicolored block that you see over there. That's the International Museum of Play. So things are, you know, hopping. And it's really, really cold.